So now we are rolling to gold, weekly gold. Okay. So we actually got follow through since the last video, again, coming into the new year. Now what we can see here is, copy paste, we have specific high, Monday 20th of June, very important, 1848, 1850, which was just spiked below. Other highs, okay, I was going for 1869.5, 1870, which we came 50-60 pips away from. So daily, interesting. So we had the breakout here. Okay, we had this daily high, we broke out of the daily high, we created new highs, we retested. Look where we retested. We basically retested yesterday through the daily high, closed near enough onto this daily high at 1833, and now the price is looking as if it wants to pull back up. If price wants to pull back up and this area stabilizes, okay, even here as well, if we're very, very anal with this, you can see that this daily high, Friday the 30th of December, where the crosshair is 1826, the price spiked back into that area, rebounded, and looks as if it could be pulling back to the upside. Remember, we have the wick here as well. So what's important is that we see, okay, we have to see, will momentum pushes back to the upside? Will momentum pushes back to the upside? Let's try the fib. So for fib from 1 to 2, we've rebounded directly on the 78.6. That's where we came from, 78.6, pull back from A to B. That's that. Daily is the one of interest, whereas if, okay, cool, the daily high of Tuesday the 3rd of January plotted on, also marked on the top one there as well. Okay, so the day opened, failed half of this candle, so half of this wick, and pulled back. So it's very interesting to see where gold will head to next. VWAP, okay, so taking VWAP from the lows before, you can see we've retested into VWAP as well. Volume weighted moving average, we've spiked on top of VWAP. My thesis yesterday, I had one long go into play, a secondary long opened. The idea, okay, came shy of getting knocked out at the weekly. So what happened here? What we can do, we can go in, we can intersect this area, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, huge area there as well. We could maybe tap back into that range and then push higher. So I'm going to continue with this thesis, okay, continue with that thesis as the market. So let's copy and paste this over here. You can see the VWAP band, the spike through the VWAP band, and the market pushing back above. However, I'm not really too interested in that too much right now. But that right there is the gold catch-up as to what's been going on. Here, the market remained above VWAP, came out of VWAP, and this was sign of, okay, this is going to blow out, and the market blew out. Huge area retest, and we're now looking to potentially come back into 1870 high, taking out the former highs right there. Take out these former highs. That is the thesis for gold thus far.